Press the Mode button once to enter the settings page. When you begin, 0 o'clock will blink, and you can adjust the timer using the plus or minus buttons. Once the setting is complete, the colon will blink to indicate the setting is active. If you don't require different temperature settings for day and night, you can activate All Day mode. Press the Mode button twice to select All Day mode. You can see the screen above, indicating that you have entered the settings page. Use the plus or minus button to set the temperature. The number 26 will blink for 5 seconds, and then the heater will start operating at the selected setting. The display alternates between the set temperature and the real-time temperature every 5 seconds. In All Day mode, the heater maintains the same temperature for both day and night operation. Press the Mode button 3 times to select Daytime mode. You can see the screen above, indicating that you have entered the settings page. Use the plus or minus button to set the temperature. The number 24 will blink for 5 seconds, and then the heater will begin operating at the selected setting. When the sensor detects night, the display will alternate every 5 seconds between the real-time and night set temperature. When it detects day, it will switch between the real-time and day set temperature. Default setting: if no night temperature is specified, the heater will default to 22 degrees C when nighttime is detected by the sensor. Press the Mode button 4 times to enter night mode. Then follow the same as daytime mode to set your desired night temperature. When the sensor detects nighttime, the heater will automatically adjust to the set night temperature. Default setting: if no daytime temperature is specified, the heater will default to 26 degrees C when the sensor detects daylight. Press the Mode button 5 times to enter normally open mode. Then, use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the heating level. The heater will continuously operate at the set heating level to increase the temperature. To avoid frequent automatic on or off cycles, you can set a 1 degree C range for more precise temperature control. The heater will stop operating when the temperature reaches the upper limit, e.g., 26 degrees C plus 1 degree C equals 27 degrees C, and will restart when it drops to the lower limit, for example, 26 degrees C, 1 degree C equals 25 degrees C. The timer setting is the same as in heating mode. The normally open mode is the same in heating mode. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the fan level in this mode, allowing you to control the airflow size. If the above steps are correct, you can manually calibrate the temperature. For instance, if you believe the correct temperature is 30 degrees C, but the heater displays 25 degrees C, press and hold the Mode button to access the settings. Set the panel to 5, and after it blinks for 5 seconds, the heater will begin operating at the temperature you've set.